Cal Spas offers a wide selection of hot tubs for all ages and lifestyles that are tested and certified to the industry's highest quality and performance standards, including ETL, UL, and CEC. For first-time spa owners, the Family Series provides an unforgettable beginning to a lifetime of home resort enjoyment and entertainment. The Victory Extreme Series combines hydrotherapy and affordability for an unbeatable combination for the value-minded. For hydrotherapy on demand, the Avalon Series provides pure relaxation and has garnered the Consumer's Digest Best Buy Award. The Classic Series turns every dream into a reality for the entertainment enthusiast. For the athlete, the Fitness Pro Series provides a place to warm up, train, and cool down. Vacations come and go quickly. A Backyard Oasis by Cal Spas adds lasting value to your home by creating the resort destination of your dreams. A place to enjoy with family and friends. A personal retreat. A luxurious escape. See your dealer today to learn about home resort packages that fit your lifestyle and budget, and take the first step toward turning your dream home resort into a reality.